Hey guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing this DIY dinosaur kit. It's for ages 3 and up, and yeah, it comes with an electric screwdriver and a normal screwdriver, and yeah, you can make a bunch of different dinosaurs. So I'm just gonna be unboxing it. So it comes with an electric screwdriver. It also comes with one of these dinosaurs. Comes with another dinosaur, another one, and the last one. So there's 4 dinosaurs in total. And it also comes with, I think this is a carpet. Let me lay it all out. It's really big. So last but not least, we have the screwdriver. You are gonna need batteries for the electric screwdriver. So yeah. So let me open this up. It comes with 2 pieces for the drill that you can put inside. So I got a precision screwdriver, and now I'm just gonna unscrew the screw so I can put in the battery. So now that it's open, I know I'm gonna need 2 AAA batteries. So this is like how it looks like with the battery in it. It can go 2 different ways. So I'm gonna use the screwdriver to take apart one of the T-Rex's legs. Now that I have that part off, I'm gonna do the same with the T-Rex using the electric screwdriver. Now that I have those 2 off, I'm just going to switch them around. The dinosaurs also have wheels underneath their feet, so you can kind of roll them around. And they can also move their legs. And yeah. So I feel like this is a great purchase for children who are interested in building and constructing things in STEM and engineering and stuff like that. So yeah. This is a great buy.